In this video I show you how to change from the magnetic connectors of the Alma lift to the direct cable connection. You receive the Alma lift with a screwdriver set, 2 little rubbers and the Alma lift cable with the magnet connectors. These are really convenient to work with, but if you prefer you can also connect the cable directly to the lift. The 2 screwdrivers that you received have different purposes. The one on the left is the hex screwdriver and is shaped like a hexagon. The one on the right is a slit screwdriver. Start out by placing the hex screwdriver, turn in anti-clockwise direction until you are able to remove the screw, the magnet and the Alma magnet plate. Next, remove the round magnet from the cable. You will notice that the end of the cable is actually a little screw with a slit. Tighten it in clockwise direction. Keep all the removed pieces in a small bowl or cup to avoid losing anything. Take one of the little rubbers and insert it to the point that it doesn't stand out. Go over with your thumb and push it in to be sure that it's sitting correctly. Now take the end of the cable from which you just removed the round magnet, twist it anti-clockwise for the same amount of rounds that you need to turn it clockwise in order to secure it to your device. It took me 7 rounds. Don't overdo it, just be sure that it sits nice and snug. Let's do the other side. Place your screwdriver, turn it in anti-clockwise direction to remove the screw, the magnet and the Alma magnet plate. These tiny pieces fall easily and that's why it's a good idea to spread out a towel before you start working. Next, insert the little rubber, remove the round magnet from the cable. Let me try to zoom this in for you. Can you see the little slit? Take the slit screwdriver and gently turn clockwise to be sure that the cable is tight before you connect it to your device. Twist your cable in anti-clockwise direction, place it gently in and turn clockwise until it sits snug. That's it. If you want to go back and use the magnetic connectors again, do the same process the other way around. Start by unscrewing the cables in anti-clockwise direction. Remove both of the rubbers and keep them aside. Now it is important that you first insert the Alma lift magnet plate, which is not magnetic. The best way to find out is to test it with your round magnet. If it is magnetic, it's not the right one. If it isn't, it's the correct piece and you want to install it with the little screw turning in clockwise direction. Again, be sure that it sits snug, but there is no need to go overboard with your strength. Now you can take the magnet and place it in with the flat side first. Same thing on the other side. First find out which one is the non-magnetic piece and install it with the little screw. Now you can place the magnet with the flat side in first. And it's almost done. Take your slit screwdriver and be sure that the cable is tight before you apply the round magnet connectors. Obviously you want to do that on both sides. Detangle the cables, and now your Alma lift is ready to be used again with the magnetic connectors. I would store the screwdriver set and the little rubbers together in a place where I can easily find them again when I need them the next time. Also, let me quickly show you the other end of the Alma lift cable. You can connect it directly to the Picotoner glove cable or to the adapter cable if you are using any of the professional machines by Norutris. I hope this information was useful to you. See you in the next video.